going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2thousands.com. I am on this site, Paid Viewpoint, a survey site where you can get paid to take surveys. You will not get disqualified for any survey that you take on here. I'm going to show you how easy it is. You see at the top you have one survey available, that little tab. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to show you basically how to do a survey on here. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to cash out. So let me click on this and get started with the survey and just show you how simple it is with this survey, all right? So you'll see at the bottom already, they kind of show you the time length of the surveys. That's one thing that a lot of these different sites don't do. They don't show you how long the survey takes. They might tell you in the beginning, oh, this survey takes 10 minutes. Then you might take the survey and it takes 20 or 30 minutes. So I really love the aspect of you see the time of the survey. And every question that you answer, the time goes down, obviously. But, for this one, I got to watch the video, things like that, and then probably answer questions. So, and when you're writing your responses to questions, you make sure they're actually real responses, that you're not just, typing anything, make it, actually make sense and, a good answer, something they might respect. Because at the end of the day, you want to continue to getting surveys from this site. If you're writing down just any and everything, then they're not going to give you, good surveys or even high paying surveys. So I'm just giving, you don't have to write, a long paragraph, but just a nice, sentence or two or things like that. And just give your honest opinion on this stuff, because, at the end of the day, you're not getting disqualified. So you might as well just, be honest with it. So another one where I got to kind of type out a response. Again, just make sure you're reading the question, fully through, and that you're just making sense. That's basically what it is. Just it's not difficult at all. This is not one of those survey sites where you have to lie in order to qualify, because, once you have a survey available, it's always going to be there for you. And we're not always going to be there for a long time, but once it's there, you click on it, you'll qualify for it. So now these are just basically, kind of multiple choice questions, things like that. So just going through, just answering this stuff accordingly. And again, you can kind of see the time goes down. Now I got about 2 minutes left in the survey, so I already know where I'm at. They might not tell you in the beginning how long the survey will take before you click on it, but as you, when you do your first question, you'll see the time. So now I got about 1 minute left. So, it means obviously I'm getting close to the end of the survey. And I'm not sure if this will pay. This probably will pay a few cents, because it's a short one. Sometimes you'll have the longer ones. The longer ones pay more. But, this one will probably pay a few cents, but I'll take it. And just going through. I should be about done. Another question real quick. You'll see almost there. Almost there. You basically got maybe 1 to 3 more questions left. So, again, just going through this. And that's probably it right there. Yeah, that's it. So I got 20 cents for that survey. Now my account I have $12.49. You can cash out at a minimum of $5 with this site. So I'm going to go over to the dashboard. I'm going to click on the money sign, just kind of showing you how this works. They have different options that you can cash out with: PayPal, Amazon, Walmart gift card, eBay, CVS, and Target. Always choose PayPal. And your information should already be stored in there. So all you got to do is cash out now via PayPal. And it says it'll be there about 72 hours, but usually I get my payment the same day. So, that's just how simple it is with this site. Very easy to use. Like I said, you're going to qualify for every survey that you take, so you don't have to tell lies through it. One thing I do want to mention is whenever you sign up for this site, whatever email you use, make sure that's your PayPal email as well, because if you don't and you want to change your email, it can be a long process, in the sense of you might have to wait, for it to actually change, what I'm saying? So just make sure that, whatever phone number you use or your email just lines up. I think for the phone number, that might not matter. I think in the beginning they had it where you had to actually verify your, your account to your phone number. I don't know if they do that anymore or not, but if you are registering and ask you for your phone number, just make sure it's a real phone number where you can actually, get the verification code. But nonetheless, just make sure your PayPal email is the same. That's the most important thing, so you can get paid. So there it is. Paid Viewpoint. Link to sign up with this site is in the description. It's a free website. You're going to qualify for every survey that you take. You want to make sure that you're getting your trait score to 10,000. You see I have up there. Once you have 10,000, that's the max, and you're going to get surveys pretty much every day. You're going to get at least 2 to 3 surveys a day. So just make sure you check out, periodically throughout the day, just looking at different surveys they have for you, and, take as many as you can They usually do not take long at all. Like this survey took me maybe 2-3 minutes. So just get involved with it. Like I said, it's free money. You see, I made $281 with this site so far, the lifetime I've been with it. So it's been paying pretty well. So get started with the link in the description, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.